quick video. We're gonna make a matcha smoothie together. So before we get into it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go. Okay, y'all, so first I'm going to take the other half of this banana that I had left over and put it in my blendy cup. You can use a full banana, but I only use half because I really don't care for bananas, especially spotty brown bananas, because that's when they're usually full of sugar. So next you'll take some organic yogurt and you'll probably do like a cup to 2 cups. This was probably a cup and a half, and this is organic yogurt. I really prefer Greek yogurt, but organic works too. And I'm just going to put it in the cup with the banana. And y'all, I really don't know the measurements to this smoothie. I just really dump a whole bunch of stuff in there and then call it a day. But I cannot talk. I'm gonna try to guess and then leave like a little ghetto recipe in the description box, and y'all can use that. So I'm just scraping the remaining of this yogurt into this bowl, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So this is the most important step of the smoothie. For my liquid, I'm going to use almond milk, and I'm going to take 1/4 cup, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Why this is important, because you do not want the liquid you're using to boil, because when you pour your matcha powder into your liquid, it's going to burn the matcha if it's boiling, and it's going to taste bitter and nasty. So you just want to warm it up a little bit, enough so that the matcha can dissolve without burning it. So I'm putting it into a microwave safe cup after I measure it out, and throwing that in the microwave again for like 10 seconds. Then next I'm going to take my matcha powder, and I'm going to take 2 tablespoons, and it's literally just 2 scoops. That's it. That's all. Real simple. And I got this matcha from Walmart, by the way. It was like $6.97 or something like that. And it has like 48 servings. And I think a tablespoon is 1 serving. So y'all do that math. I don't know. So this is my warmed up almond milk, and I'm just going to pour it into my matcha powder and then get my baby whisk and show y'all the wrist work. I got this baby whisk from the Dollar Tree. It was literally just $1, and it's so cute. Duh, obviously Dollar Tree. Okay, let me stop talking so much. Look at the flick of the wrist, period. So you really just want to mix it real good so that you don't have a lot of matcha chunks. And I'm showing y'all kind of what it looks like for a little bit. And then you'll pour it into your blendy cup. Then next you'll take some sweetener, just 1 pack, 0 calories, 0 sugar. Pour it in there for a little taste. And then you'll just blend for like 3 minutes. And that's really it. So I know y'all are like, girl, why are you showing us a smoothie recipe? This is not the cooking channel. We came here for acne content and beauty content. Let me stop you there. This is what I eat every morning for breakfast. It's the perfect way to get probiotics and just to get something healthy in my gut. Greek yogurt, organic yogurt, if you don't know, is full of probiotics. So if you're not taking one, this would be a perfect way to get it into your system. But let's not even talk about the yogurt. Let's talk about the matcha. So matcha is packed with powerful antioxidants. It can lower insulin resistance. Matcha is anti-inflammatory. Matcha can promote a healthy gut. So just think of the probiotics that you're getting from the yogurt plus matcha, girl. And matcha can lower levels of hormones that cause acne. So matcha plus Greek yogurt / organic yogurt is that girl. So get into it. And I think y'all should try this, especially if you're not taking a probiotic yourself. And if you're dairy sensitive, then you probably won't like this. So that's all I really have to say about it. This is what it looks like, straight blended. You just pour it in a bowl. Well, I pour it in a bowl. I make the smoothie bowl. This is what it looks like after a day. I made this yesterday, and I put some granola on top. I mean, you could wait till the morning to put granola on top, but I really don't have time in the morning, so I just put my granola on top the night before. And this is it. So if you guys try this, let me know how you like it. I think it's super good. You don't have to use 1 pack of sweetener. It's really up to you.